Lawns, garden and temples can be placed in east direction and north direction. Office administrative department can be placed in west zone. Elements like transformer, boilers, generator, chemical process equipment can be placed in southeast direction because it represents fire element. Safety staff can be placed in southeast zone. Another spaces like canteen, welding department, research and development department can be placed in southeast direction. Departments like packaging, transport, promotion, dispatch can be placed in northwest direction.